Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our day 11 challenge. So we've done 2 weeks of challenges now, daily videos that break down the basics of how the classes that I teach. We did the first 2 weeks of mostly intro to plyo moves, which is a low impact, not low intensity, but a low impact fusion of yoga and Pilates. We are moving into turbo kick today, you guys. This is my soulmate workout. Soulmate workout. It is so fun. I never feel like I'm actually working out. That's how fun I have doing this workout. So there is a learning curve. So I'm hoping that I can break down the moves for you so that you can learn it piece by piece. And then over the next couple of weeks, you'll feel ready to do a full turbo kick class. Turbo kick is cardio kickboxing. It is fast paced. It is high intensity, high impact, but there's also low impact options. And it's a dance fusion as well. So really good music. We move to the beat. This is one of the songs. So, quote of the day, we have one every day in my virtual studio. By the way, my name is Kate. If you don't know who I am, you can find me in any of these places down below that will pop back up here in a second. But this is my virtual studio. I do all my classes online. I stream online 4 to 5 days a week. And you can find our Facebook groups around this post. Please join those groups and join us. Like, we are so fun. Our group is amazing. We have amazing people taking classes every day, and it's so fun to connect with people. So find those groups above and below. Lindsay's giving away amazing things in her group, activewear, gift certificates, and just all the things. And then also, if you want to do the previous day's challenges, I have those. I'll put a little card up there in the corner, and you can do all of the days. They're all public. They're all free, and it just teaches you how to do things. So we're going to do turbo kick today for this challenge. I'm going to show you the basic 4 punches in turbo kick. It is cardio kickboxing. So I'm going to do a quick preview, and then we're going to go through just one song, practicing those moves. And so when you come to my class, it's really awesome because we have a front camera and a side camera so that you get a good view of, although my camera's off right now. What happened to it? I'm going to just move it down a little bit there. It got off. That's probably good though, right? For our demo today. All right, so in turbo, we do a lot of punching and kicking. We're doing punches today, all right? Just punches. So I'm going to show you the 4 basic punches, and we're going to try them to the song because we do move to the beat. So the first move is a very simple jab, okay? So a jab, we can either do it to the front or we can do the side. We're going to do just a front jab today. We will do a double bob as well. A double bob is just a double step to the side, and you can add legs if you want, or you can just do a double step. Let's go. So the jab punch, your elbows are always down and they stay in, just like you're boxing. And we're going to bob and jab out. Bob and jab. Bob and jab. But we'll do a double bob. So it'll be a double bob, jab, double bob, 89. Jab. Okay? So that's going to be the first move, the first punch. When you do your jabs, your elbow stays in. So you don't want it flying out to the side like this. You want it to stay in. It's up and in. And you do have some rotation going on in your shoulder and in your wrist and in your elbow. Okay? Second move is a cross punch. So same double bob, and then we rotate fully. The hips rotate, so your hips will rotate. Your heel has to lift. Heel lifts to the side, and you extend going across your body. Strong, arms are always strong. The other arm stays up in your guard. And after that rotation, then you pull it back, and then we go the other way. Same rotation, hips rotate, arm goes across, extends, other arm is up strong in your guard, heel lifts and twists, and then we come back. But it's fast. We double bob and cross, double bob and cross. Okay? All is tight and strong. Even your core. Twist. Hook punch is next. Hook punch, same double bob movement. Now your arm is going to slide parallel, like you're sliding it across a shelf. You've got a 90 degree in your elbow, sliding across a shelf, strong shoulder, other arm is still up. Hips still rotate. In fact, your hips rotate first, and that's where the power comes from. Hook punch, parallel arm, heel still lifts, hips still rotate. Double bob and hook, double bob and hook. Okay? That is a hook punch. Okay, last punch is an uppercut. Uppercut, it's like you're punching somebody under the chin or right in the gut. Same double bob, But now your hips are still gonna rotate, heel's still gonna twist, elbow stays in, but you're punching up and out. All things move and rotate. Double bob, up and out. But it's fast, up and out. Power comes from that hip rotation again. Hooah, hooah. Okay, all is tight, core is tight. You're gonna work your core and turbo the whole entire time. So let's try those 4 punches in this song, and we'll just see how they go, all right? I'm gonna turn up the music for us because the music is amazing in turbo. All right, my heart rate's already up. Your heart rate's gonna go up. Here goes the music. The music is going up. I'm gonna turn it up pretty loud today, but I actually turn it up even louder in class. So let's do a 12 for music, right about there. And I'm gonna restart it for us. Okay, you're doing this with me now. This is your challenge.
The 89.
All right, so you're gonna be at the center of your space, and you can dance in turbo. You should dance in turbo. Okay, we're gonna start with a double. Actually, let's start with shoulder rolls. Just warm up our shoulders. We're just gonna step and roll, step and roll. This is just to warm up because we do so much punching. So just nice and easy. Now we're gonna do that double bob step to the right here. Now jab front. Okay, so we're just jabbing with the arm, lifting the heel, elbow stays in. Awesome. Let's do some single jabs right here, just singles. So you're lifting your heel, quick jabs to the front. Keep it tight, keep it strong. You don't have to bob big here, it can be small. Okay, let's go back to that double bob right here. Back. Now cross punch, rotate the hips fully and extend to the side. Cross across your body, which is why it's called a cross punch. Okay, let's do some single crosses here, singles. So really check that your hips are rotating fully with each extension. And your other arm stays up in its guard. Woo! Back to the double bob. Now uppercut, up and out. So this is that punch like you're punching someone under the chin or right in the gut. Hips still rotate, heel still lifts. Single uppers, go. Powerful punch. This is one of my favorite punches. I feel very strong. You could try to imagine how you're punching, that helps. Okay, let's do the hook. Double bob, hook punch, hook. So now this is when your arm is parallel. It's sliding across the shelf. You're knocking everything off. Your hips are still rotating. Let's do some singles, go. And your heel is still lifting. Core is tight and squeezed. And then other arm stays up in its guard. Yeah, jump rope. Those are the 4 punches in turbo. We do those in combinations throughout the entire workout. So I'm gonna turn this down, I'm out of breath. Woo! Turbo is high cardio. So fun, you guys. Okay, so those are the 4 basic punches. We put those together in various combinations throughout the entire workout, and getting to know those 4 punches, their names, their proper positions, their proper form and movement, you'll feel confident to do the full combinations in a class. So practice those. Go through them slow. Try them slow and then put them to the music just like we did a few times through, and you'll start to get real familiar. And the typical warm-up in turbo always covers those 4 punches, so we always warm up with them and refresh our brains before we get started. So you guys, thank you for being here today. We get a sticker every day. This was our leg day. We actually just finished the workout. My legs are jello. So you get a digital sticker when you come to my classes, and just a fun way to keep us motivated and just for fun. So you guys, thank you for doing this today with me. Make sure you check, again, above or below, find the Facebook groups, add yourself to those groups, and make sure you are doing the other challenges, getting ready for PIO as well. And then come January 1st, new year, New Year's resolutions, you can do full classes with us. So you guys, thanks for being here, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next challenge. All right, take care, bye.
Welcome to round 89.